What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Smuggler Penny from Brawl Stars. Let's get started by drawing a straight line across the top of our page. We're going to start over on the left side, go straight across towards the right. Now from the ends we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the mask. And just line this up on the right side. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight line, going all the way across. Now we're going to connect the top corners with a half circle. Start back over on the left, curve this up, and then in towards the middle. So round out the head, and then bring that back down on the right side. Let's add a seam across the top. Starting back on the left, draw a straight line going across. Go to the center, draw a straight line coming down. I'm also going to add a rivet on the left side with a small circle. Let's draw a circle on the right side with a gap on the left. Starting up here, draw that circle, going up, come down towards the bottom, and just pull that up on the inside. And then from the ends, draw a straight line going out toward the left. And we'll close off the end with a small half circle. Let's add a small button on the top right. Now we're going to add a trim around the eye. Starting on the left, draw another straight line going out toward the side. Go to the top right, angle up and out, and go straight out towards the side of the head. Let's add those two light strips along the top. Start with two straight lines coming down side by side. Leave a larger gap and draw that again. Let's close off the top with a curve. Come down to the bottom, we'll curve in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to add that painted skull on the left side. Starting from the outside, draw a half circle going up and then bend that down. And we'll add those drips along the bottom. Starting back on the left, come straight down, round this out, and go back up. We'll round out the bottom of the skull, coming down and then up. And we'll add two more drips along the inside, coming down and up, come down and up towards the right side. Let's draw in the eyes. Starting from the top left, draw in that circle. Move over towards the right, step down, draw that same size circle. And then we'll go in between the eyes and draw a small triangle. Let's add a dot on the bottom left. Now I'm going to add a bevel on the bottom of the helmet. Starting back on the left, angle down and in with a short line. Close off the bottom with another straight line. And we'll tuck the head in underneath the helmet. On the left side, we'll step in, curve this down towards the bottom of the chin, round up the head, and then pull it back up on the right. Now the mouth is going to be sloped down in an angle. Let's start over on the left side, angle down, and then out. Connect the ends with a curve, coming down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up. Let's separate the teeth with three lines, starting with one down the middle, then we'll add one more on either side. Now we move out to the side and add in the antennas. Starting from this point, we're going to step down, draw a short line going out, line that up on the right, and then from the bottom we'll step up, draw that same length line, close off the end with a curve, going out and then back in. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight line going up, flatten off the top. Now I'm going to bring that down toward the side, and I'll angle this down and in. Let's separate the top of the antenna. Stepping down, draw one line going across. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right side, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, moving down the middle, and then bending that back up. Now let's draw on the top of the belt. From the left side, we're going to step up, draw that same curve, going across. Leaving a gap in the center, we draw two lines, one on the left, and then one on the right. Let's go to the center of the buckle, draw a short line going across. From the left side, angle down and out, and go up on the right. Now we're going to add that strap going across the body. Let's start from the top left, curve this down, and then out towards the right side on top of the belt. Step in, draw that twice. And then in the center of that strap, draw a short angled line, go to the top, angle up, and then angle down. And then from underneath that strap, draw a straight line going out toward the left, angle this down and out, and then go straight out towards the side of the body. Let's place the shoulders along the side of the body. Halfway down the side, draw a straight line going out, angle this up and out toward the top, and we'll curve the shoulders going up and in behind the head. Now we're going to go back to the center of the body and work our way down towards the feet. From the buckle, step down, add a curve, going up and then down, and leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and then down, go to the right, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Let's round out the bottom of the pant, starting back on the left, curve this down and up, and the same thing on the right. Let's round out the side of the leg, starting from the left hip, curve this out and then down. Let's add that small pouch on the side of the hips, starting from the top of the belt, draw a straight line going out, come down the side, and we'll pull that back in. Now I want to tuck the feet in underneath the legs. Starting from the inside of the left leg, step out, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. And we'll curve the bottom of the foot, coming down and then up. And then we'll round out the top of the foot. Starting from the outside, curve this up, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. From the outside of the leg, step in, draw a straight line coming down. Now the right leg is going to be angled down towards the heel with the toe pointing up. From here we're going to step out, angle down towards the heel, curve the foot going out, and then up towards the toe. Let's round out the top of the foot, going up, and again bending this down, aiming towards the heel, go to the outside of the leg, step in, angle down on top of the foot. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the left arm. Underneath the shoulder, I'm going to step down, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add in 3 fingers, starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve down and then up around that bracket, step down, curve down and up the second finger, and we'll start the third finger along the side, curving out, up, and then in. Let's close off the top of the glove, starting from the outside, curve in, and then down. Going back to the outside, step in, curve the arm going up and in behind the shoulder. Now to move over and draw the right arm holding the gun. From the outside of the shoulder, step down, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist, and it will curl around the thumb, going up and then down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. And we'll add the palm, curving down and then in. Now we want to place the gun in behind the thumb. Starting up here, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the bottom of the handle. Round out the bottom. And angle that back up and in. Let's draw a straight angle line going out. Continue up towards the top. Angle this down and in on top of the thumb. And then pull that straight down. Let's go to the top, draw 2 angle lines going up and out. Close off the top with a curve. Now I'm going to move down and draw a circle. And we'll split the gun in half with a straight line going across. Now the end of the gun is going to bulge out. Starting from the top, curve this up and out. Go to the bottom, curve in the opposite direction. And we'll close off the end with a slight curve going out and then in. Let's split the end in half with a straight line. And we'll add that metal plate along the top, going across with a straight line. Come down the sides, close off the bottom. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight line going back in underneath, continuing along the bottom. Let's add in the trigger. Start with a straight line coming down, and then pulling that back in. Let's go to the bottom right corner, draw a straight angle line going out, and it's going to curve this up and in towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the end with a straight line, and we'll trace that curve coming in and then down. Come straight in underneath the handle, and then pull that straight up. Now we're going to go halfway along the top of the arm, curve the glove coming in and then down. And we'll curve the arm going out and up in behind the gun. And we'll line up the inside of the left arm over on the right, curve the arm coming down and out, leaving an overlap along the bottom. Now we draw the bottom edge of the hair over on the right side, starting underneath the head, curve this out and then in behind the arm. We're also going to see the barrel in behind the body on the left side, starting underneath the shoulder, angle down and out, curve this down and in behind the arm. Let's go to the inside of the bottom finger, draw a straight angle line coming in behind the leg. And that's pretty much it. There's Smuggler Penny from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.